The Baasel Lasertech 12100-070 is a power supply for an industrial laser system for cutting holes in metal. This power supply was damaged on the input side and required a full rebuild before it would even power up. This particular power supply is controlled via fiber optic controls for the enable sequence, which made this a slightly harder repair in terms of setup for operation. In order to safely operate, we built an interface box, which allowed for the fiber optic controls to be converted into switches, and as shown in the video, we were then able to control the power supply with the box, and 2 individual function generators, which was how the system was controlled for the actual output.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.